All right, guys, we have arrived at our destination, Keystone, Colorado. And yeah, there's a creek around here. Just gotta find it, gotta remember where I am. But oh man, it's loaded with big trout. Actually, so here's where we're staying right here. And the creek's up here somewhere. So I'll walk through and find it, but oh man, I'm excited to be here. See you when we get there. Oh man, this is beautiful. Look at this, guys. Oh, there's a house here. I wasn't here last time I was here. Oh man, this is so pretty in here. And somebody's calling me. Are you kidding me? Who's calling me? I'm trying to fish. I'm fishing, man. All right, back to fishing. Down there looks good though. That looks really good, actually. I wonder if I can get down there. Let's see. Trying to swing around this tree. Aha. Yes, I can. Right in here. This little pool has to have some without a doubt. It's way too juicy not to, so. Yeah. Right on in here. Wait for the little tug. See how long it takes. There we go. Big rainbow. Oh, did you guys see that? Did you guys see that rainbow right there? Oh man, that gets me excited. That was a nice rainbow right there, guys. Come on. Oh man, that was a good rainbow. Such pretty colors on it too. There we go. There we go. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Rainbow right there. Ooh. Come on. Yes. Oh, come back in the net. There we go. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. That is what I'm talking about, guys. Look at that. First rainbow, first trout of the trip. Right there. She's beautiful. Look at her. Oh man, yeah. That is what I'm talking about. Man, you're good. You're good, baby. You're good. Nice hook set right in the mouth. Alright guys, let's get this rainbow back. Oh, she's beautiful. Look at that. Just let her go right there. Oh man, this looks good. Woo! Where do we start? In the water. How long does it take to get a bite? I can't even see it, really, so it's kind of, I don't know. Muddier water out in the middle at least. It's so blue though. I want some jig action. I don't even know where I casted. Ooh, there we go. There's already one. Oh, that was quick. What is you? You're a trout, but what kind? You're a rainbow, I believe. Yes, you are. A beautiful rainbow. Wow, guys, right in the upper mouth. Oh, here we go. Look at that, guys. Hold on. Okay, I'll get you in the water. Stay calm, buddy. Look at that. Beautiful fish right there, let me tell you. All right. All right, let's get another one. It must not be like it's fully swallowing it or fully getting it in the mouth. It must be sucking on the tip of it. When I feel it, I gotta let him eat it. Apparently. There's one. There we go. That's a nicer one. Maybe not. Got one, Zach. Ooh, yeah. A bit nicer one, that's for sure. Oh, came off. No! Came off. Dang it. That was a nice one, guys.
I might go up, try to...
There we go.
Wow.
Same size. Little rainbow. Rainbow, rainbow. Come here, buddy. Ooh, not a very good landing job there. Yet again, another rainbow. Oh. So guys, these are all wild trout, and I'll show you how I can tell. Oh, come on, if he stops. My hands are wet. Come on. This hook doesn't want to come out, guys. Oh, it got him in the eye. How did it do that? I'm sorry. Ooh, stay here. Stay here, buddy. Sorry about that. Alright, so you can see his fins right here, they're not clipped off or rounded. They're fully straight. So he's fully wild. And yeah, there he goes. He's blind now, but I don't know. He's got one eye, I guess, so one's better than none. There's one. There we go. Ooh, look at that. I'm not gonna use the net for that one. I have a place to. Oh, it just broke off. No, that was my last jig. Oh man, I should have used the net. Gosh darn it. Well, that sucks. Snapped the line. Clean in half right there. 6 pound line. Whatever. That's a bummer. Alright guys, I went down to try some new holes and they looked really good, but I didn't have any fish, so I decided to come back here and see if I can't pull a couple more out, and just lost one. So that's a good sign because there's still more in here. So we'll see how many more we can pick up. A couple years ago when we were back here, they're like, you know, these are all kind of those 10 to 11, 12 inchers, but we pulled a 16-incher out. One of my mom's friends' daughters did, and then I hooked on, the crazy story, I hooked on to at least, it was a 6-pounder right over there in one of the little creeks that feed into this. 6-pounder rainbow trout 3 different times, and my net was so small every time I couldn't get it in because I was on ice shelf and I couldn't go out any farther closer to the fish, and so it was gonna fall off. And yeah, I couldn't pull it up over the ice because I had a 4-pound line, and it would have snapped, and my net just wasn't big enough to get it in. And I mean, like, that's a, you know, good sized net, but no, the half the body couldn't fit in there, so it was at least a 6-pounder. And oh man, I want to come back and catch it again, but I'm just not sure it's still here because they move around a lot and whatnot, and it's not the same conditions. Water's a little bit dirtier. The creek's completely changed, so that hole that I caught in is not there anymore. So, but oh man, it's just crazy to think that there's fish that big in here. But who knows? You can get lucky, and you could, you know, there could be random ones sitting in the middle of a little hole somewhere. Bada bing, bada boom. There's plenty of spots, but really, I mean, even for those small ones, you just go behind any little eddy or current break of these rocks, and usually they'll just be sitting in there, or at least in the winter. I don't know if it's different for the summer or this time of year, but I'm gonna venture, see if I can make it out there. Actually, here, right here, I'm gonna try this little spot right here. Get down on knee, and yeah, literally just drop it in here. See if anything wants it. If anybody's home, at least. Nothing appears to be home, so go try a new spot. Oh, there we go. There we go, guys. Look at that. There's one. Oh, yeah. What did I say? Come on, net. Help me out here. Where are you, bud? Hopefully you guys can see this. Where are you? Right over there? No, came off right there, guys. Came off. Gosh darn it. It's hard to net them out here. Oh, there we go. There we go. There's one. No. Oh, right there. Got him in that. Oh man, that was such a save. Look at that, guys. That was a good save. Lure popped off here. We'll get him in some water real quick. Lure popped off right as I was bringing him up and sitting right there on the bank, so I just went and got him. We'll just put him right here for now. Look at that, guys. There's a beautiful rainbow right there. Wow. There he goes. There he is. Come up here, buddy. Yes. Yes. Got him. Oh man, that is beautiful. How deep did he get it? Oh, he got it pretty deep. Alright. Alright guys, look at this. Look how pretty that is. Beautiful brook trout. There we go, there's one. That's fun. I'll throw my it. Look at that, right in the nose.
Good job.
Don't get much better than that.
Perfect.
Alright guys, let's go for this big, beautiful fish. If I get this brook trout, oh man, I'd be so happy. This thing is so beautiful. And it's good size for here too. Guys, there's this beautiful brook trout right here. Insanely pretty. These colors are insane. Look, he just took it. He's got it. Got him. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I got him, Zach. Oh man, that thing is pretty. Don't come off. Don't come off. Don't come off, please. Yes, got him. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at the colors on that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Guys. Hooks out. Oh my gosh, that was beautiful. Guys, look at the belly on that. Look at that. Oh, let's get in the water. Right here. Zach, you want to hold in the water for me real quick? Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, and stay tuned because I got more videos just like this coming up soon. I'm waiting to upload some, and yeah, they're gonna be pretty good. So thank you, and thanks for watching. See ya.